Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these AI writing assistant tools, which is Content Gorilla. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Content Gorilla is a solid AI writing assistant designed to help you create content quickly and efficiently. Its biggest advantage is the AI-powered article generator, which can turn YouTube videos or keyword into already used blog posts, saving you hours of writing. And the platform also offers the SEO friendly features and a simple interface which works better for beginner. And on the downside, some users find the AI content requires editing, so also it matches their styles, and the advanced features feels limited compared to more premium AI tools. So my opinion, I think Gorilla works best for content creators and marketers who need fast, structured draft without starting from the scratch. Its time-saving capabilities and its ease of use make it strong choice. But if you want more polished or highly customizable AI output, you might need to get an additional tools in the future. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.